SendOwl is a user-friendly digital product delivery platform that enables businesses and individuals to sell and distribute digital content securely. With features such as customizable branding, automated delivery, and flexible pricing options, SendOwl simplifies the process of selling ebooks, software, music, and other digital products online. Its intuitive interface and robust analytics make it an ideal choice for both small businesses and established enterprises looking to streamline their digital product sales and distribution. The SendOwl affiliate program offers website owners and content creators the opportunity to earn commissions by promoting SendOwl's digital download and subscription delivery service. With a high commission rate of 30% and a 90-day cookie duration, affiliates can earn significant income by referring new customers to SendOwl. The program provides a range of promotional materials, including banners, text links, and product reviews, as well as detailed analytics and reporting tools to help affiliates track their performance and optimize their campaigns. Join the SendOwl affiliate program today and start earning commissions for every sale you generate. SendOwl's platform allows you to easily create your own online store for digital products and subscriptions. With a user-friendly interface and customizable design options, you can quickly set up your store and start selling your digital content in just a few simple steps. SendOwl offers a range of features, including secure payment processing, automated delivery of products, and detailed analytics to help you track your sales and customer behavior. Whether you're a small business owner, freelancer, or content creator, SendOwl provides a powerful and flexible solution for selling digital products online. Try SendOwl today and see how easy it is to create your own online store.